50 common English mistakes people make. Stop making these English mistakes. Watch till the end to improve your English. Part 1. Basic mistakes. I am having 20 years. I am 20 years old. నాకు 20 సంవత్సరాలు. He don't know. He doesn't know. అతనికి తెలియదు. I didn't went. I didn't go. నేను వెళ్ళలేదు. She do homework. She does homework. ఆమె హోంవర్క్ చేస్తుంది. I am understand. I understand. నాకు అర్థమవుతోంది. Part 2. Daily speaking mistakes. Return back. Return. Discuss about. Discuss. Repeat again. Repeat. Where you are going. Where are you going? What you are doing. What are you doing? Part 3. Real life corrections. I am going to home. I am going home. I am coming in 5 minutes. I will come in 5 minutes. My father is government employee. My father is a government employee. I didn't saw him. I didn't see him. She is my cousin sister. She is my cousin. Part 4. Smart English upgrade. Very good. Excellent. Very bad. Terrible. Very big. Huge. Very small. Tiny. ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మీకు ఇంకా కావాలి అంటే నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి గైస్. మళ్ళీ వచ్చే వీడియోలో కలుద్దాం. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.